Uh, Namaste everyone. I am Ritu Khare, basically from Lucknow, but here in Hyderabad I am staying from last 2 decades and I practice contemporary art. I paint in watercolors and acrylics. Uh, I came to know about Shishu Brahman sir and his organization called Kala Yagna, and I participated in Ongole Art Festival, and then this Ramappa temple trip. I could join them. So 50 artists participated in this trip, and we all went to Ramappa temple. There, everybody there. 2 days we stayed there, and we did so many sketches, all of us together. Then again, Shishu Brahman sir came up with this idea that together we should do an exhibition, and that too in Hyderabad. So it was an excellent idea from his side, and we artists got a good support from him, and we could. He booked a state art gallery. Two galleries were there for us for last 3 days, and we had a good show. All so many eminent artists, and I was delighted to be part of this group. It's like a blessing because this art journey itself is like a uh, you are coming out of the and learning the life skills. You are coming out of the pain and the struggles and the hurdles, and then you are going in through the journey and getting the enlightenment. I planned the painting for this exhibition, before that, 1 week before, I had a meeting with Women Art Association. I'm a member of it, and the ladies were telling about the pain and their journey through the art and how they got the learning, and how they came out of that hurdles, and even though now also they have, but still they are able to work with the hurdles around. They are able to uh, follow their passion and come out of the pain which they still have in them. But when they practice art, they forget everything, and wherever they are sitting, they can sit for hours and then practice art. So when I planned for this painting, just because it was so near, the meeting was so near, it was deep within me, and that for ladies it is difficult to follow any passion, being it housewife, when we are there at home, there's so many liabilities and responsibilities we have, and if somebody really wants to work for themselves, it is a tough journey. So when I planned this painting, I gave some special effects in which I could show that women are getting empowered, and enlightenment is happening when they follow the art. They could forget everything, and when the art finishes, by the time they are so delighted and happy, like me all the time. When I paint, I sit with my work. When I finish, it is like a treat for me with nobody around. Still, I am very happy with that. Thank you so much.